Quick disclaimer: I won't take responsibility if the person you like becomes utterly captivated by you after watching this video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a highly effective technique that can help create a strong and lasting bond with that special someone. If you've been wondering how to truly capture their attention and foster a solid relationship, rest easy. Your search stops here. This approach has the potential to transform your love life completely. Pay attention, apply what you learn, and prepare to be amazed by the results. Before long, that person will be completely drawn to you. I invite you to practice this technique alongside me. It's a simple and quick exercise that will bring you one step closer to your goal. We'll approach it with genuine intent, keeping in mind the well-being of everyone involved. It's important to stay grounded in pure motives and avoid letting selfish desires take control, as we don't want to end up regretting the outcomes or wishing we could reverse them. Keep in mind, as I've mentioned before, these energies are incredibly powerful. My goal is to help you tap into your inner potential, giving you the ability to attract the person you've always dreamed of. I encourage you to stay focused and join me as we walk through each step of this practice together. Find a cozy place to sit and make yourself comfortable. Once you're ready, gently close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing the breath to fill your diaphragm and revitalize your body. Then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any stress or tension. Take another deep breath in through your nose and slowly release it through your mouth. Let's continue this process, allowing our energy to align more harmoniously. Inhale deeply, then gently exhale, letting the air flow out smoothly. Now, direct your focus toward fully relaxing every part of your body. Release the stress and tension built up throughout the day, allowing it to melt away, starting from your neck and shoulders and flowing downward. Feel each area loosen: your ears, tongue, and jaw, followed by your chest and abdomen. This calming wave continues to travel through your arms, down to your hands and fingers, and then through your legs all the way to your feet and toes. Your body feels lighter, as if you're letting go of the burdens you've been carrying. The deeper you relax and release, the more potent and effective this exercise becomes. In this moment, you're completely calm and at peace. Now let's take a moment to journey back in time. Call to mind a moment when you had a deep longing for something to come true. Perhaps something related to someone special, much like the desire you have now. It could have been a dream home you once imagined, or maybe a fond memory from your childhood when there was that one toy you wanted more than anything else. Allow yourself to fully dive into that memory. You might be with the person you love, or perhaps in a meaningful place from your past. As you revisit this moment, let the emotions you felt back then flood your present. Savor the intensity of having your deepest desire realized. To manifest your current desire, take time every morning and night to reflect on these moments. Visualize them with vivid clarity, letting those familiar emotions flow into your present reality. Believe it's real, that you're truly experiencing it, and fully embrace those feelings. Remember, it's perfectly natural and human to desire something with deep passion. Embrace your drive, even if it feels intense at times, and have faith in yourself, your memories, and the vision you're holding on to, whatever it is. Realize that at this very moment, you're living in a dream that once seemed unattainable. You're now experiencing the fulfilled reality of what was once a distant aspiration. Embrace and brace your emotions completely. Focus on the person who has become a part of your dreams, the one you love and desire deeply. Allow the feelings of longing, yearning, and passion to swell within you. Once you sense that you've truly connected with these powerful emotions, along with the feeling of awareness, courage, determination, and self-conscious confidence, I want you to softly whisper these words to yourself in the vision of your mind's eye. The emotions I'm feeling right now are reflected in my specific person's heart whenever they think of me. The emotions I'm feeling right now are reflected in my specific person's heart whenever they think of me. Speak these words with clear and sincere intent, fully embracing the emotions as if it has already become reality. You are aligning your energy with these powerful vibrations. Now, replace my specific person with their actual name and repeat the phrase deeply, feeling the strength of the connection. The emotions I'm feeling right now are exactly what their name feels whenever they think of me. They miss me profoundly. I am always on their mind, and they can't focus on anything but me. Their thoughts are consumed with visions of the life we will share together. They desire me intensely. They truly long for me. These are the precise emotions they are feeling at this very moment. If it feels right, allow a soft smile to spread across your face, knowing that the energy of your fulfilled desire is already in motion. The feelings of yearning, desire, and longing for you have taken root. They want you. They are mesmerized by you, and they are deeply consumed by thoughts of you. Rest assured that this state of creation, where the deepest desire is to be in your arms, has already manifested. Allow yourself to fully embrace and revel in this feeling without hesitation, raising your vibrations to their highest possible level. We're approaching the end of this exercise. Let's conclude with a few deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in through your nose and gently release the air through your mouth. One last time, take a deep breath in through your nose and fully exhale through your mouth. Take a moment to just be present with yourself. And when you feel ready, having fully embraced everything we've accomplished, gently open your eyes. What we just practiced is a remarkably powerful exercise. Through your emotions, thoughts, and actions, you are actively crafting your future. You're creating and reinforcing a reality where your desired outcome naturally becomes a part of your life. Remind yourself that the outcomes you seek already exist within the boundless realm of possibilities. The person you love, the one you deeply wish to be with, can indeed be by your side. They are constantly thinking of you. You are always on their mind. You reaffirm the reality that you are at the center of their most heartfelt desires. By affirming being together will elevate both of your lives to a beautiful place. You acknowledge the truth. Your specific person is already feeling all of these emotions for you. Immerse yourself completely in these emotions and savor the reality they bring to life. Reassure your subconscious with affirmations that these are the genuine feelings they have for you. Acknowledge the incredible power behind these emotions. Nurture this energy, feed it, and attract a beautiful relationship into your life by projecting it outward. Allow this energy to manifest in your current reality, perhaps even instantly. For some of us, those who engage in these exercises with sincere belief and wholeheartedly embrace their power often experience extraordinary results, not only in their own lives, but also in the lives of their loved ones and even those around them. Approach this practice with pure intentions, always guided by kindness and positive energy. I emphasize this because when you align with the right energy and vibrations, the chances of manifesting outcomes beyond your wildest dreams increase dramatically. These techniques are truly powerful and effective. Feel free to save this video to your favorites and come back to it as a reinforcement exercise later tonight. Make sure to approach it with full focus and belief, exactly as I've guided you. If possible, practicing once in the morning and again in the evening can establish a powerful routine. It's especially effective when done just before sleep, as this allows your subconscious to connect with universal energies while you rest. As you continue practicing with focus, you'll begin to notice progress, not just in these exercises, but also in your daily life, leading to faster and more visible results. Approach each session with positivity and a calm mind. Allow those emotions to flow freely, transforming into thoughts within the mind of your loved one, reflecting back into your reality in a positive way. The results will be beautiful, effortlessly weaving into the fabric of your life's journey. Give it a try. I'm certain you'll be amazed by the outcome. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. For even more powerful content, check out our video, Warning. After this video, they'll chase you like never before. And get early access plus exclusive perks by joining our membership. Just click the join button below. May all your prayers be answered with pure and kind intentions. Take care until the next video. I'm truly grateful to have you here.